Make it today a perfect day for you. I'll make it today a blast. Elsa, I'm thinking.
Little brothers!
They come in threes.
I'm fine.
Wow, you've got me reeling, but I'm still concerned for you. I think it's time that you go home and get some rest. Elsa.
Aww.
And I love you too. So we're making today a perfect day. Every thing. Happy, 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 very, very, very hot birthday! Elsa, look at you. You've got a fever. You're burning up. All right, we can't go on like this. Let's put this day on hold. Come on, admit it to yourself.
Okay. I have a cold. I'm sorry, Anna. I just wanted to give you one perfect birthday. But I ruined it. Again.
You didn't ruin anything. Let's just get you to bed.
Perfect day!
Okay, to bed with you.
Wait. All that's left to do is for the queen to blow the birthday bugle horn.
No. Best birthday present ever.
Which one?
You letting me take care of you.
Achoo!